Correct for gas charge in statement of profit or loss. The year end of ABC Co. is 30 November 20X0. The company pays for its gas by a standing order of $2,400 per month. On 1 December 20X9, the statement from the gas supplier showed that ABC Co. had overpaid by $800. ABC Co. received gas bills for the 4 quarters commencing on 1 December 20X9 and ending on 30 November 20X0 for $5,200, $5,600, $8,400, and $8,000 respectively. What is the correct charge for gas in ABC's statement of profit or loss for the year ended 30 November 20X0? Answer: gas supplier account. Balance B over FWD 800. Bank $2,400 times 12, $28,800. Total $29,600. 28 February, invoice $5,200. 31 May, invoice $5,600. 31 August, invoice $8,400. 30 November, invoice $8,000. 30 November, BAL C over D $2,400. Total $29,600. Gas account. 28 February invoice $5,200. 31 May invoice $5,600. 31 August invoice $8,400. 30 November invoice $8,000. Total $27,200. 30 November SPL $27,200.